Let me ask you something. What if becoming a profitable trader doesn't look the way you think it does? Most traders believe profitability means flashy profits, yet big screenshots, the constant excitement. But the truth is, real profitability is boring, quiet, and uncomfortable at first. In this video, I'm going to share 7 real signs you're actually becoming a profitable trader. Not hype signs, real psychological and behavioral shifts that most traders completely ignore. If you're experiencing these, even without big money yet, you're far closer than you think. Let's get into it. Sign 1. You care more about process than profits. One of the first signs you're evolving as a trader is this. Money stops being the main focus. Early on, every trade is about, how much can I make? Can I double my account? Can I recover my loss today? But then something changes. You start asking better questions. Did I follow my setup? Was my entry according to plan? Did I respect my stop loss? Even after a winning trade, you don't feel euphoric. And after a loss, you don't feel destroyed. Because you understand something most traders don't. Even good trades can lose. Bad trades can win. When your satisfaction comes from execution, not outcome, you're stepping into professional territory. Sign 2. Losses no longer feel personal. Losing trades used to feel like a personal attack. You'd think, I'm bad at this. Maybe trading isn't for me. Why does this always happen to me? But now, a loss feels more like, okay, next data point. You no longer attach your self-worth to a single trade. You understand that. Losses are part of the business. Drawdowns are normal. Even the best traders lose frequently. Instead of revenge trading, you pause. Instead of emotional spirals, you review. This emotional neutrality is not weakness. It's one of the strongest edges in trading. Sign 3. You trade less but better. Here's a big one. As beginners, traders believe, more trades, not more money. But profitable traders do the opposite. They trade less. You stop forcing setups. You stop chasing every candle. You stop feeling the need to always be in a trade. Some days you don't trade at all and you're okay with it. Because you finally understand. No trade is a position. Patience becomes your weapon. Waiting becomes productive. Discipline becomes automatic. If you're trading fewer setups but feeling more confident, you're leveling up. Sign 4. You accept that consistency comes before size. At some point, you stop trying to get rich fast. You stop increasing lot size emotionally. You stop gambling after losses. You stop thinking one trade will change everything. Instead, you think long-term. Can I repeat this for 6 months? Can I survive bad weeks? Can I protect my capital? You realize big size on a broken mindset is a disaster. Consistency becomes your main goal. Capital preservation becomes sacred. This shift alone eliminates most traders and creates the few who last. Sign 5. You trust your edge, even during losing streaks. This is where most traders break. A few losses in a row, and suddenly they change everything. New indicators, new time frame, new strategy, new YouTube video. But when you're becoming profitable, something changes. You don't panic. You don't abandon your system. You don't jump strategies emotionally. You understand probabilities. You know that. A valid edge includes losing streaks. Short-term pain doesn't invalidate long-term expectancy. You review logically, not emotionally. That calm confidence during drawdowns, that's a huge sign of maturity. Sign 6. Your lifestyle starts to stabilize. Here's a sign nobody talks about. As you improve, your life outside trading gets better. You sleep better, obsess less over charts, stop checking profits every minute, detach from constant market noise. Trading becomes a part of your life, not your entire identity. You don't need validation. You don't need to prove anything. You don't need to post every win. This emotional balance is what allows consistency to compound. Sign 7. You stop seeking confirmation from others. Early traders ask, is this a good trade? Should I enter here? What do you think? But when you grow, you trust your own rules. You don't need Telegram signals. You don't need someone else's bias. You don't need approval. Win or lose, you own the result. This is one of the final psychological shifts before real consistency. Self-trust, not arrogance, not ego, but quiet confidence built through experience. The real truth about profitable traders. Let me leave you with this. Profitable traders don't look special. They don't feel special. They don't trade every day. They simply protect capital, follow rules, control emotions, stay patient longer than others. If you saw yourself in even 2 or 3 of these signs, you're closer than you think. The market rewards, not intelligence, not speed, not hype, but emotional discipline over time. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and remember, your edge isn't your strategy. It's who you become while trading.